Hello students, in the previous lecture we have seen the expansion formula for x plus a multiplied by x plus b. Means what? First term is same in both the cases and second term is different. So the answer of such an expansion is x square means first term square plus a plus b into x and plus AB. AB means A into B. So x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. Now we are going to study some examples based on this expansion. So the first example, x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Now compare this example with our formula. So instead of x, what is there in our example? X is x only. X equal to x. Then instead of a, what do you find? Instead of a there is 2. And instead of b there is 3. So by using these values, we will do the expansion. So this expression equal to x square. तो x की जगह x ही है तो आएगा हमारा x square प्लस ब्रैकेट a plus b. A is 2, b is 3. So 2 plus 3 multiply by the common term means x plus a into b means 2 into 3. Now simplify it. X square will remain as it is. 2 plus 3 is 5 into x. So 5x plus 2 into 3 is 6. So the answer is x square plus 5x plus 6. One more example we will take. Y plus 4 into y minus 3. Now compare this with the original formula. So instead of x, here x is equal to y. In this example, instead of x there is y. So we will take x equal to y. Then what is a? A is 4. Instead of a there is 4. Now observe the value of b. B is 3. Can we say like this? No. Because here there is a plus sign and here there is a minus sign. So b is equal to minus 3. Because minus 3 can be written as plus of minus 3 means this bracket can be written as y plus minus 3. Meaning of both the brackets is same only because plus into minus is minus again. So we can write this expression like this, and if we compare these two, this second one and this one, so what is b? B is minus 3. So whenever a minus sign is there, then you have to take that minus sign along with the number. Understood? Because the formula is for plus. So whenever there will be a minus sign, you have to consider the minus sign along with the number. Now this expression will be equal to how much? X square. So here x की जगह क्या है? Y. So we will write y square. Then with sign plus. Then what is there? Bracket a plus b. So bracket a means 4, b means minus 3. So a plus b. 4 plus minus 3. Now next term is plus a into b. So plus 4 into negative 3. A into b. A is 4, b is minus 3. So 4 into negative 3. Now simplify it. Y square. 4 plus minus 3 means actually it is 4 minus 3. So it is 1. here we forgot to write y. A plus b into x, a plus b into x, x की जगह यहाँ y है. Now 4 प्लस माइनस 3, जैसे ये हमने देखा y प्लस माइनस 3 होता है y माइनस 3. In the same way 4 plus minus 3 will be 4 minus 3 means 1, and 1y means what? Only y. 1y, so we never write 1 before any variable. And plus 4 3s are 12, and positive negative negative. Again y square plus y plus minus minus 12. Plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. Same way plus into minus is minus. So the answer for this is y square plus y minus 12. Now the third one. 2a plus 3b multiplied by 2a minus 3b. So this example is actually the expansion formula which we have studied last year. See here, a plus b into a minus b. मतलब साइन चेंज है ब्रैकेट में और टर्म्स सेम ही है. ए बी बी, सिर्फ यहाँ प्लस है यहाँ माइनस है. तो इसका आंसर क्या होता है? पहले का स्क्वायर माइनस सेकेंड टर्म का स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर होगा? फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर मीन्स 2a स्क्वायर माइनस दूसरे का स्क्वायर. हियर वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. व्हाई? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? हियर फर्स्ट टर्म इज सेम, सेकेंड टर्म्स आर डिफरेंट. हियर फर्स्ट टर्म इज सेम and second is also same. So for such type of question we have another formula, so that we will use here. Now 2a whole square, so 2 का भी square and a का भी square. 2 square is 4, a square is a square, minus 3 square is 9 and b square is b square. Understood? Bracket square means what? ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में उन दोनों का स्क्वायर. हियर वी आर यूजिंग द लॉज ऑफ इंडाइसेस. लॉज ऑफ इंडाइसेस वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड इन द 7th standard. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. m plus 3/2 multiplied by m plus 1/2. Now this example is like our expansion formula. x plus a, x plus b. x की जगह कौन है यहाँ पे? m. Here x is m, a is 3/2 and b is 1/2. a की जगह क्या है यहाँ पे? 3/2 and b की जगह हमारा है 1/2 and both are positive. So here also we will take positive only. Now what is the answer of such an expression? X square means m square plus a plus b means 3/2 plus 1/2 multiplied by x, पर x की जगह हमारा है m, प्लस ए बी मतलब इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 3/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/2. नाउ दिस विल बी इक्वल टू m square. Now this addition, here denominator is same, so directly add the numerators. So what we will get here? 4 upon 2, 3 plus 1 4 and denominator is same, so write down that denominator. So we will get 4/2, but 4/2 means how much? It is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So what we got here? Plus this plus sign, here 2 and m. this bracket answer is 2 and multiplied by m, plus multiplication of fraction. What is the rule for multiplication of fraction? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 into 1 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. What is the rule of addition? If denominator is same, then just add the numerator and write the same denominator. This is the rule of addition. Addition का rule क्या है कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो न्यूमरेटर को सिर्फ ऐड करना है और डिनोमिनेटर जो यहाँ है वही आंसर में रहेगा. मल्टीप्लिकेशन का रूल क्या है? न्यूमरेटर इंटू न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर इंटू डिनोमिनेटर. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होता है जहाँ डिनोमिनेटर भी मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर को ऐड मत कर देना, 2 + 2 नहीं करना है, ओके पर यहाँ 2 into 2 करना है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस. सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ दिस multiplication of two binomials. Now the last example for practice, x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 7. So here x is x only. Compare with this formula, x plus a, x plus b. So x is x only. a की जगह है हमारा -3 एंड b की जगह हमारा है -7. b is -7, a is -3. So what is the answer of such an expansion? x square plus a plus b. फॉर्मूला क्या कहता है? a plus b. पर a की जगह है -3, b की जगह है -7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x प्लस a इंटू b मीन्स -3 इंटू -7. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई x स्क्वेयर एज इट इज -3 minus 7. So both are minus. Add them and give minus sign. So this will be minus 10x. And plus negative into negative positive, 7 3s are 21. Now plus minus minus, so the final answer is x square minus 10x plus 21. So the formula is actually for addition, but if in the question we get a minus sign, then in the value of a or b we have to consider that minus sign and solve according to that. Now we will start practice set 5.1. This is our formula. First example. In the first example, here x is a. See here, x मतलब जो कॉमन टर्म होती है दोनों ब्रैकेट में, तो यहाँ पे दोनों ब्रैकेट में कॉमन वाली है a. मतलब यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मूला में x है उसकी जगह एग्जाम्पल में क्या है? a. दैट्स वाई वी हैव रिटन लाइक दिस, x इक्वल टू a. नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ a व्हाट इज देयर? 2. a मतलब पहले ब्रैकेट का दूसरा टर्म, तो पहली ब्रैकेट का दूसरा टर्म है 2, तो a की जगह है 2 एंड b इज -1. b की जगह है -1. नाउ सॉल्व इट. क्या आता है? कॉमन टर्म का स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर, पर x की जगह है a, सो a स्क्वायर. देन प्लस a प्लस b. a है 2, b है -1, सो प्लस की जगह डायरेक्ट आ जाएगा माइनस साइन. इंटू x, पर x की जगह हमारा है a, सो इंटू a. प्लस a इंटू b, 2 इंटू -1. Now simplify. A square plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1a मतलब सिर्फ a. And 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So here it will come minus 2. This is our first answer. Now the second one. M minus 4 m plus 6. Now compare it with the formula. So here instead of x what do we have? M. Instead of x we have m. Instead of a we have negative 4. And instead of b we are having 6. So b is equal to 6. Now solve it. What is the formula? X square means m square plus bracket a plus b means negative 4 plus 6 into x means into m plus a into b means minus 4 into 6 minus 4 into 6. Now simplify. M square as it is. Now minus 4 plus 6. So we can read it like this. 6 minus 4 means 2 and m. 2m. 6 4s are 24 and positive into negative is negative. So minus 24. So the answer is m square plus 2m minus 24. Now the third example. P plus 8 multiplied by P minus 3. So here instead of x what is there? P. Instead of x there is pp. So x की जगह पे p है, a की जगह पे 8 है and b is equal to negative 3. B is equal to negative 3. So formula is p square plus bracket a plus b 8 plus negative 3 means 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 into p into m into p plus a into b means 8 into negative 3. Now simplify. P square 8 minus 3 is 5p and 8 3s are 24. Positive into negative is negative. So answer is p square plus 5p minus 24. Now the next one, fourth one. 13 plus x 13 minus x. So for this there is a direct formula. A plus b, a minus b. Terms are same 13 13 x x. सिर्फ साइन का फर्क है. So which formula? The formula which we have seen last year. So direct answer we will write first term square minus second term square. Now 13 square is 169 and x square will be x square. So answer is 169 minus x square. Now the fifth one. 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. Both are positive. Here x is actually 3x. पहली जो टर्म है जो दोनों में कॉमन है वो कौन सी है? 3x 3x. मतलब फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से x की जगह हमारे पास है 3x. देन a is 4y. a is 4y. साइन के बाद जो होता है वो पूरा a है, तो a is 4y and b is 5y. b is actually 5y. So what is the expansion? x square, पर x की जगह 3x है, मीन्स 3x का स्क्वायर प्लस ब्रैकेट a प्लस b, फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से जाना है, a प्लस b, a is 4y प्लस b is 5y इंटू x, मतलब इंटू 3x प्लस a इंटू b, a is 4y इंटू b means 5y. Understood the formula? What is the formula? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So according to the formula we have expanded it. Now bracket square means square of each term. So 3 square is 9, x square is x square plus 4y plus 5y means 9y. 4 and 5 is 9, y common into 3x plus 4 5s are 20, y into y is y square. Understood? Multiplication is there. So number into number, variable into variable. 4 5s are 20, y into y is y square. Now this term as it is, here there is multiplication. So 9 3s are 27, x into y, xy, and the last term 20y square as it is. So this is the answer for this expansion. Now the sixth question. Nine x minus 5t, 9x plus 3t. So according to the formula, here x की जगह कौन है? x is 9x, a is negative 5t and b is 3t. b is equal to 3t. Now expand. What is the first term? x square, पर x की जगह है 9x, तो 9x का स्क्वायर, then plus bracket we will write first always, a plus b. So a is negative 5t, so actually here it will be negative 5t plus b means plus 3t. This is wrong. Into x into 9x, x की जगह कौन है? 9x plus a into b means negative 5t into 3t, negative 5t into 3t. Now simplify. Bracket square means 9 square is 81, x square is x square. Now negative 5t plus 3t, negative 5 plus 3, that is negative 2t into 9x plus 5 3s are 15, t into t is t square and negative into positive is negative. Now 81x square as it is, 2 9s are 18, minus sign as it is, and x into t is xt, plus minus minus 15 t square. So this is 15 t square. Now the next example, 7th one, m plus 2 upon 3 multiply by m minus 7 upon 3. So here x is actually m, a is 2 upon 3 and b is negative 7 upon 3. Now simplify. First term will be m square according to the formula. First term is m square plus bracket a plus b means 2 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3 into m plus a into b means 2 upon 3 multiplied by negative 7 upon 3. Now simplify. M square plus. Here denominator is same. So directly subtract the numerator. 2 minus 7 is negative 5 upon 3 m. Then multiplication of fraction. Numerator into numerator. Negative 14. 7 2s are 14. 3 3s are 9. So next line will be m square plus minus 5 upon 3m minus 14 upon 9. Minus 14 upon 9. Now the next example, 8th one. X plus 1 upon x multiply by x minus 1 upon x. Now this example is like the previous year formula. First term is same, second term is also same, only the difference is of the sign. So what is the answer of such a formula? First term square minus second term square. First term is x, uska square minus second term means 1 upon x and iska square. Now x square will be x square minus 1 square is 1 upon x square is x square. डिवीजन में अगर ब्रैकेट का स्क्वायर है तो दोनों का स्क्वायर लेना पड़ता है, न्यूमरेटर का भी एंड डिनोमिनेटर का भी. सो दिस इज द आंसर फॉर दिस प्रॉब्लम. नाउ द लास्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज. 1 upon y plus 4 multiply by 1 upon y minus 9. So here x is 1 upon y, a is 4 and b is negative 9. So what is the formula? x square मतलब 1 upon y का स्क्वायर प्लस ब्रैकेट a प्लस b मतलब 4 और b है माइनस 9 इंटू x पर x है हमारा 1 अपॉन y प्लस a इंटू b मीन्स 4 इंटू नेगेटिव 9. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई. 1 square 1, y square is y square. Next 4 minus 9, it is negative 5. Negative 5 into 1 is negative 5 upon y. And this 4 9s are 36. Positive into negative, negative. So the answer is 1 upon y square minus 5 upon y minus 36. Understood? So all these examples, 9 examples you have to solve in your notebook. Okay? Thank you.